Hi, my name is Madison Daly, and I'm an emergency doctor at Lexington Medical Center. Today I'm going to talk about whooping cough. So it is an infection caused by a bacterial called Bordetella pertussis. We see it most often in younger populations that are unvaccinated, so we don't see it often here in Lexington and most of the United States. So it's characterized by initially a prodrome of fever, and it's just like every type of upper respiratory infection for like 1 to 2 weeks. Then when the fever resolves for about a month, you can have the actual cough and the kind of the whoop that comes from it. So you hear this kind of hoarse staccato cough, and then you have that inspiration in between, we call the whoop. It is most concerning in those less than 1 month old because they can have apnea and severe respiratory distress and sometimes even increased mortality. After that, about that month or period, you should get a slow resolution of symptoms. You treat this with antibiotics like a macrolide, but again, this is not something that we see on a day-to-day basis, but is probably more concerning in third world countries and areas where vaccines aren't routinely given.